Focusing on a particular side of life can be challenging, but with some strategies, you can improve your ability to stay focused. Here are some tips to help you focus on a particular side of life. Set clear goals. Setting specific and achievable goals can help you focus on a particular side of life. Identify what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, manageable goals. This way, you can track your progress and stay motivated. Prioritize. Determine which areas of your life are most important to you and prioritize them. This will help you stay focused on the things that matter the most. Eliminate distractions. Identify any distractions that may prevent you from focusing on a particular side of life. This could be anything from social media to negative people in your life. Try to eliminate or limit these distractions as much as possible. Create a routine. Establish a daily routine that allows you to focus on your goals. This routine should include specific times for working on the things that matter most to you. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment. This can help you stay focused on what you are doing and increase your productivity. Seek support. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and can help keep you focused. This could be friends, family, or a mentor. Remember that focusing on a particular side of life takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent in your efforts, and you will see progress.